SERPWatcher SEO Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to SERPWatcher and other useful tools are in the description. Let's dive straight into what this SEO tool offers, who it's for, and whether it's worth using. SERPWatcher, developed by Mangools, is a rank tracking tool designed for SEOs, marketers, and business owners who need to monitor keyword rankings effortlessly. Unlike traditional rank trackers, it emphasizes overall search visibility rather than just individual keyword positions, making it perfect for tracking long-term SEO progress. Features: SERPWatcher provides daily keyword tracking with location-based results, allowing users to monitor rankings across different countries, regions, and even cities. It includes a unique performance index, which calculates the overall impact of your rankings on traffic rather than focusing solely on rank changes. The tool offers interactive reports, historical data, and automated email alerts for ranking shifts. Additionally, its intuitive dashboard presents key ranking metrics like search volumes, estimated traffic, and keyword movement trends in an easy-to-digest format. Who is it for? SERPWatcher is ideal for bloggers, small businesses, SEO professionals, and digital marketers who need a simple yet effective rank tracking solution. It's especially useful for those managing multiple projects, since it integrates seamlessly with other Mangools tools like KW Finder and SERPChecker, creating a complete SEO workflow. Strengths: the biggest advantage of SERPWatcher is its simplicity. Unlike more complex tools that require extensive setup, this platform is beginner-friendly with a clean interface. The performance index is also a standout feature, giving users a more actionable understanding of ranking impact. Plus, automated reporting saves time by keeping teams and clients informed without manual tracking. Weaknesses: while great for basic and intermediate SEO tracking, SERPWatcher lacks advanced rank tracking features like real-time updates or competitor tracking at scale. It also doesn't support keyword tagging or filtering options as extensively as some enterprise-grade alternatives. Final verdict: if you need a user-friendly, cost-effective rank tracker with essential features and seamless integration with Mangools SEO suite, SERPWatcher is a solid choice. However, if you require deep competitor analysis and highly granular tracking, you might need a more advanced tool. Check out the links below to try SERPWatcher and see if it fits your needs.